Hello students, how are you all doing? Hope that you must be fit and well. Today we are doing a sum from JEE Entrance Examination Advanced Paper 2016. The sum reads like this. Let F maps R to R and G maps G is a function which maps from R to R and H is a function which maps from R to R. Be differentiable functions, okay, such that fx equals to x cube plus 3x plus 2 and g of fx is equals to x and h of gx is equals to x for all x element of real number. Then the four options are given for this question. A g dash 2 equals to 1 by 5. B h dash 1 is equals to 666. C h0 equals to 16 and D h of g3 is equals to 36. And from these four given options, there may be more than one correct option. Okay, maybe one correct or more than one correct, and you have to find all the correct options for the given question. Okay, now see here, what is the sum saying? So here there is a function fx. These are all mapping from R to R. Okay, that means the domain and the codomain are all real numbers. Okay, now see here, fx is given to be equals to x cube plus 3x plus 2. Okay, now what we will get then if I will differentiate fx? So what I will get, f dash x, so the differentiation of fx will be 3 will come down, it will be 3x squared and the power of x will decrease by 1, it will be 2 and it will be 3x differentiation will be 3 and the 2 is a constant, so its differentiation will be 0. Okay, so f dash x will be 3x squared plus 3. Now here in the first part A, it is asked g dash 2. Okay, so let us check g dash 2 is equals to 1 by 5 or not. Okay, so here I am writing these values, okay, in the separately. Here f dash x is equals to 3x squared plus 3. Okay, this will be needed in the further solution, so write it separately. Okay, now see here, g dash 2 is equals to, I have to check it. Okay, now see here, what we have, g of fx. Okay, g of fx is given to be equals to x. So now differentiate both the sides, okay, with respect to x. So differentiating with respect to x on both sides, okay, on both the sides. So what we will get here, this is a function of a function. Okay, so how we, by the chain rule we differentiate it? First we will differentiate g. Okay, so this will be g dash of fx, correct? Then we will differentiate the function which is inside the bracket, so it will be f dash x. Okay, and the differentiation of x is equals to 1. So what from here, what we will get? So g dash of fx, okay, g dash of fx will be equals to f dash x. Okay, and we have to find the value of what? G dash 2. So if we make fx equals to 2, so here if fx we are making, okay, if I am making fx is equals to 2, So what we will have here? I will get g dash 2. Okay. So now for what value of x will fx will become 2? So now equate fx is what? Okay, we are finding the what value of x will fx will become 2. Okay, so here fx is equals to x cube, okay, plus 3x plus 2, correct? So let this be equals to 2, because here if I put the value of fx equals to 2, so I will get g dash 2, and which is asked. So for what value of x will fx will become 2? So for that I am making fx, okay, which is equals to x cube plus 3x plus 2 is equals to 2. So here 2 and 2 will cut out from both the side. So we will get x cube plus 3x is equals to 0. Now solve it. So here taking x common, so this will become x squared plus 3 is equals to 0. So either x is equals to 0, or from here if I will make x squared plus 3 equals to 0. So what will I get? I will get x squared is equals to minus 3. Now it is being told to us that x is an element of real number. So a real number square cannot be equal to a negative number. So this is neglected. Okay, so x squared cannot be equal to minus 3. Okay, why? Because the x is a real number. So what value of x we have got? X is equals to 0, for which x will become 2. If we are putting here x value 0, so 0 cube will be 0 plus 3 into 0, 0 plus 2. So we will get fx is equals to 2. Okay, so now fx become 2 for x equals to 2. Okay, for x equals to 0, sorry, fx equals to 2 for x equals to 0. Now put here x equals to 0. Okay, so putting here x equals to 0. Okay, so putting x equals to 0. So what will I get? Here I will get g dash f 0. For x I am putting 0. Okay, so that will become equal to f dash 0. Okay, so f dash 0 I will get. So now I am solving here, finding the value. Okay, now see here, f0 we have, or I have already showed you, it is value is 2. Okay, so this will become g dash 2. f0 is 2. If you putting the value of x0 in the fx, you will get the value of f0 equals to 2. Okay, so g dash 2 is equals to 1 by f dash 0. F dash 0 means what? F dash 0 means here putting the value of x0 in this f dash x value. F dash x value is 3x squared plus 3. Here you put the x value 0. Okay, so 3 into x value 0 whole squared plus 3. So 0 whole squared is 0. 0 into 3 will be 0. 0 plus 3 will be 3. Okay, so f dash 0 is equals to 3. So g dash 2 is what we are getting? 1 by f dash 0. F dash 0 value is 3. So this is 1 by 3. G dash 2 value we have got is equals to 1 by 3. And what is the here in the option given? G dash 2 is equals to 1 by 5. So it is incorrect. So A part is incorrect. Okay. So now let us do the another parts. Okay. Now see here. What? Okay. How we will do the other parts? Check. How we'll check the other parts? Okay. So A we have got is wrong option. Now see here. Here in the B, C and D, you are seeing that these are the functions of in the form of H. Okay, here it is H dash, here it is H, and here it is H. So we have to take this function. Okay, now see, I am doing now other parts. A I have already done. Okay, now here Okay, now see here what we are getting here. Okay, here we have got h of g of gx. Okay, f of gx is what is given to be equals to x. Now here first I bring the d part. Okay, here h, what is the in the d? It is h g3. So g3 is given. So let us now see what we have. We have g of fx. G of fx is given to be equals to x. Okay, so if I substitute in place of x, if I substitute, okay, x, if I am writing let x equals to fx. Okay, let x equals to fx in this equation. So what will I have here? For x, if I am substituting fx, so this will become g of fx. This in place of x, if I am writing fx, so this will become g of fx, and g of fx is equals to x. So here I will get x. Okay, in further simplification. Okay, so let x equals to fx. Okay, here. So what we are getting from here, it will be g, okay, h of g in place of x we are putting fx. Okay, fx. Clear? So this will become, okay, this will become g of g in place of x I have written fx. So here also I have to write in place of x I have to write fx. Okay, now see here what we are getting here, h of g of fx. G of fx is equals to x. So g of fx will be equals to x. So in place of here this g of fx, it will be equals to x. Clear? So this will become x. Okay, now this will become g h of g, because g of fx will be changed to x. So that is equals to fx. Clear? Now see here, d part is saying h g of 3. So g of 3 means what? Here the value of x you put 3. Okay, here the value of x you put 3. So putting x is equals to 3. So what we will get? So we will get h of g3 in place of x I am putting 3. So here if I have put for x I have put 3. So here also I have to put for x I will put 3. Okay, now here f3 means what? F3 means the value of fx when x is equals to 3. Now fx is what? Fx is equals to x cube plus 3x plus 2. F3 means what? F3 means in place of x you have to put the value 3. Okay, so this will become 3 cube plus 3 into 3 plus 2. Okay, so 3 cube is how much? It is 27 plus 3 into 3 is 9 plus 2. So 2 plus 9 is 11. 11 plus 7, 18. Carry 1, 38. Okay, so you are getting F3 is equals to 38. So H of G3 will be F3. F3 value I showed you is equals to 38. Okay, so but what is the D option telling? H of G3 is 36. We have got H of G3 is equals to 38. So D option has become wrong. Okay, now let us check the other parts. Okay, now see here. Here we have got here H of Gx. Okay, H of Gx is equals to Fx. This part I have showed you how I have got this. Now we will use this for further solving of the, for finding the for finding the answer of the options B and C, we will use this equation. Okay, now see here. In B and C, okay, in B and C, it is the function of H, but here there is no gx. Okay, now again do the similar substitution. If for x, if I put let x equals to fx, so what will I get? G of fx. So g of fx is equals to x, so this will change to x. Okay, so do the similar substitution here. Okay, the further substitution which I have done in the D part, do the again that substitution. Okay, so let x is equals to fx, okay, in this equation. So what will I have here? H of g in place of x, I am writing fx. Okay, so here f in place of x, here it will be also fx. Okay, so now g of fx is equals to x, so this will become h of x will be equals to f of fx. Correct? Now see, first we are doing the number C part. So h0 means what? Here hx is equals to f of fx. So h0, that means put here x value 0. Okay, let this be the third equation. Here put x equals to 0. So putting x, putting x equals to 0 in equation number 3. So what I will get here? X value 0. Okay, so this will become f of f. Here also I will put in place of x, I will put 0. Okay, so this will become f of f0. Now f0 means what? F0 means the value of fx when x is equals to 0. Okay, now value f0 means what? F0 means the value of the function fx when x is equals to 0. Now put here x equals to 0, so this will become 0 cube plus 3 into 0 plus 2. So on solving we are getting 2. Okay, so f0 value is 2. Okay, so this will become f of f0. F0 is value 2. Now we have to find f0 becomes 2. So this becomes f of 2. Okay, now f2 means what? F2 means the value of the function fx when x is equals to 2. So f2 is equals to, here you have to put the value of x2, okay, in the equation of fx. So put the x value 2. So this will become 2 cube plus 3 into 2 plus 2. So 2 cube is 8 plus 3 2 just 6 plus 2. Okay, 8 plus 6 14. 14 plus 2 16. So this we are getting 16. Now check here. C is telling h0 is equals to 16. We have also got h0 is equals to 16. So the option C is correct. Okay. Now we will check the option B part. Okay. Now see here what we have got here. We have got this equation. Okay. This equation we have got hx is equals to f of fx. We will use this for doing the B part. Okay, now see here, I am writing this on the top. We have got h of x is equals to f of fx. Okay, I have showed you how I have got this. Okay, now what we will do here it is in the B part, it is h dash 1. So differentiate this both the sides with respect to x, you will get h dash x. Then put x value 1 further. Okay, so differentiating with respect to x on both the sides. Okay, so what we will have here it will become h dash x. Okay, and here you will differentiate. So this is a function of a function. So first, that is the chain rule. So first we are differentiating this. Okay, okay. So this will become f dash of fx. Correct. Then we will differentiate fx again. So this into f dash x chain rule. Okay. So now I have to find the value of h dash 1. So putting here x equals to 1 in this equation. Okay. So putting x equals to 1. So what I will get, h dash 1, here it will become f dash of f1 into f dash 1. Okay. Now f1 means what? f1 means the value of the function fx when x is equals to 1. So put the, so f1. So f1 will become, here in place of x we will put 1. Okay. So this will become 1 cube plus 3 into 1 plus 2. So 1 cube is 1 plus 3 into 1, that is 3 plus 2. So 1 plus 3 is 4 plus 2, 6. So f1 value we have got 6. And what is f dash 1? F dash 1 here in place of, here in the equation f dash x. Okay, you put x equals to 1 here in this expression. Okay, f dash 1 here you will put x value 1. So 3 x value 1, so 1 squared plus 3. Okay, 1 squared is 1. So 1 into 3, 3 plus 3, that is equals to 6. So f dash 1 will become 6. Okay, so this will become f dash of f1. f1 value is 6. So that is 6, and f dash 1 value is 6. Now again I have to find the value of f dash 6. So f dash 6 means what? Here you put the x value 6. Okay, in this expression. Okay, so now put the value of x equals to 6 here. So f dash 6 will become 3 into x value 6. So 6 whole squared plus 3. So that is 3. 6 squared is 36 plus 3. So 3 6 ja 18, carry 1. 3 3 ja 9 and 1, 10. So 108 plus 3, that is 111. Okay, so f dash 6 value is 111. So this is 111 into 6, which is equals to 666. Now check here, h dash 1 is carrying 666. We are also getting h dash 1 is equals to 666. So the option B is also correct. So which are the options correct in the given question? B and C. So B and C are the correct options. Okay, and A and D are the wrong options. So I hope that you must have understood the sum very clearly. Okay, thanks for watching the video. Stay fine. Thank you.